So technically, before you do any like repairs, you want to disconnect your battery. So we just opened the hood. We got this car towed, and this camshaft position sensor is just off. This is obviously the problem, like my love pointed out. This little spot is off of this part, so maybe that's how it just, I don't know how it could have just fallen off. Honestly, that's weird. If we're gonna take off this bolt right here and install the new one. Just a heads up, you guys, there's not a lot of room to be working in this area. We were using a wobble extension, but in our case, our ratchet just wasn't catching onto the next tube to be able to turn that bolt. And this ratchet is a Craftsman one from like a 300 plus set, so it's nothing fancy. The other problem we ran into was we were using a 1/4 inch E8 socket, and I didn't have a 1/4 inch ratchet, so we had to use an extension and adapter. So I just recommend using an E8 socket and the correct ratchet. We ended up using the 3/8 impact with the 3/8 to 1/4 inch drive adapter, as well as the 1/4 inch extension connected to a 1/4 inch U-joint, and then connected to the 1/4 inch E8 socket. And of course, this is possible if you have the E8 socket and the correct ratchet, but we didn't, and we had to get creative. So this was the part that just, I guess, fell off, made us lose oil pressure. Okay, so we were having trouble just pushing this in. If you feel, honestly, I don't know what it is, but it's some type of thing that's like this. And it was almost like it was like that. So I started turning it, and then I could feel an open space. So now I think we're going to be able to pop that in. Want to try it, love?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Okay, cool. Not a bigger issue. Okay. So we got it all tightened up. I hope this video helped you guys out, and if it did, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment.